You take a photo of your friend's taco, and then you eat that exact taco. Not their taco. Your own version, delivered to your door from a restaurant you've never heard of. DoorDash just launched an AI chatbot that looks at your food photos and finds you something similar. No scrolling, no menus, just point, shoot, and eat. But here's what's actually happening behind that simple photo. Food delivery apps have a problem. Too many choices. Open DoorDash or Uber Eats right now and you'll see hundreds of restaurants, thousands of menu items, each one with photos, reviews, prices. It's overwhelming. Studies show that when people have too many options, they often just give up. Or they order the same thing they always order. The apps know this. They've tried filters, they've tried categories, they've tried recommended for you sections. None of it really worked. So DoorDash tried something different. They built an AI chatbot, not a search bar, a conversation. You can type, "I want something spicy but not too heavy," and it actually understands what you mean. Or you can show it a photo. That's the interesting part. You snap a picture of pad thai you had at a friend's house. The AI looks at the image, figures out what's in it, noodles, shrimp, peanuts, that specific orange color, and then searches every restaurant near you for something similar. It's like having a friend who's eaten at every restaurant in town. But how does showing a photo actually work? The AI uses something called computer vision. That's just a fancy term for teaching computers to understand what's in a picture. When you upload that pad thai photo, the AI doesn't just see pixels. It identifies objects, noodles, vegetables, proteins. It recognizes cooking styles, stir-fried, grilled, raw. It even picks up on presentation. Is this fine dining or street food? All of this happens in seconds. The AI builds a mental picture of what you're craving, and then it goes shopping for you. Here's where it gets clever. DoorDash has data on every menu item from every restaurant on their platform. Photos, descriptions, ingredients, reviews. The AI takes what it learned from your photo and matches it against this massive database. But it's not just looking for exact matches. It understands concepts: spicy, creamy, crunchy, comfort food. You show it a burrito, and it might suggest a similar burrito, but also a shawarma wrap or a Korean kimbap roll. Same idea, different cuisines. That's the difference between search and understanding. The chatbot also remembers, not just what you ordered, but what you asked for. You say something like last time but less greasy. It knows what last time was. It adjusts. Over time, it learns your preferences. You like extra spice. You avoid dairy. You prefer local restaurants over chains. This is where it starts feeling less like a search engine and more like a personal assistant. Someone who actually knows your taste. But there's a catch, and it's an important one. The AI can only recommend what's on DoorDash. That sounds obvious, but think about it. Your favorite Thai place might not be on the app. The best taco truck in your neighborhood? Probably not listed. So when the AI says this is the best match for your photo, it means the best match from what's available. Not the best match, period. It's like asking a friend for restaurant recommendations, but that friend has only eaten at chain restaurants. Still helpful, just limited. And that's not the only limitation. AI image recognition isn't perfect. It might look at your sushi photo and think it's poke. It might see your green curry and confuse it with saag paneer. Similar colors, similar presentation, very different dishes. The AI is guessing, educated guessing, but guessing. And sometimes it guesses wrong. This is why the chatbot gives you options, not just one answer. It's saying, I think this is what you want. Am I close? That's actually smart design, but it means you still have to double check. Now here's why this matters beyond food delivery. This is how AI interfaces are going to work. Not drop-down menus, not checkboxes, just talking and showing pictures. DoorDash isn't the first to try this. Google has been doing image search for years, but DoorDash is the first major food app to make the whole ordering experience feel like texting a friend. You describe what you want in your own words. The AI figures it out. That's a big shift, and other apps are watching closely. This pattern is spreading everywhere. Airlines are testing chatbots where you describe your ideal trip and it builds an itinerary. Shopping apps let you upload a photo of an outfit and find similar pieces. Customer service bots that actually understand your problem instead of making you navigate phone trees. The common thread? You describe what you want in plain English, or show a picture. And the AI translates that into action. It's faster, it's more natural, and when it works, it's genuinely delightful. But we're still in the early days. Here's what this doesn't mean. It doesn't mean you'll never scroll a menu again. Sometimes you want to browse, you want to see what's new, you want that experience of discovering something unexpected. The chatbot is a tool, not a replacement. And the AI doesn't know what you actually want. It knows what people like you usually want. That's different. It's making predictions based on patterns. Your weird specific craving? The AI might not get it, and that's okay. It's still early. So here's what this actually means for you. Next time you're staring at your phone, overwhelmed by restaurant choices, you have a new option. Snap a photo of food you liked, or just describe what you're craving in plain words. The AI will do the searching for you. Will it be perfect? No. Will it be faster than scrolling through 200 restaurants? Probably. This is a small example of a big shift. The way we interact with apps is changing. Less clicking, more talking, less navigating menus, more just asking for what you want. DoorDash made ordering food feel like texting a friend. That's the specific thing that changed. And it's probably coming to every app you use.